The lack of visibility in the traffic is a problem every cyclist faces. But what if cyclists could be as visible as cars? With this in mind, we developed SideLights to see and be seen from every angle, just like a car. While traditional systems only provide front and rear visibility, SideLights offers so much more. With a powerful 700+ lumen dual beam, a 360-degree visibility, and an integrated turn signal, cyclists become way more visible to cars, encouraging a safer passing distance. To install the system, just access the handlebar's inner diameter and screw the lights in place. The batteries can easily be swapped with a spare while the other charges. SideLights fits almost any handlebars, grips, and mirrors. But we offer specially designed options for a perfect fit if needed.
Developed by a passionate team of cyclists and supported by many partners in Switzerland, SideLights is the perfect blend of safety, tech, and design.
SideLights will enhance your security and visibility in any situation, whether you're commuting, riding a scooter, hitting mountain bike trails, or who knows, on your BMX, just like our ambassador Zoe Claessens.
Don't wait and get your SideLight today for a safer ride.